Yeah, that's when you need the team. That's what I'm saying. You need the business side. You can be blind. Look, they see but business like your structure. I-attack vele floating algorithm talking ingoma ephuma almost daily ama-stats ngigcina kuthiwa 100,000 or more daily, bro. Daily.
Every Friday
and you have to fight your way through that.
you
Fake
need a
ube
team.
khona ingoma eyodwa phela bese dumayo.
Intshake ngiyababona ogoqa abadala oBP ogwana like
To tell the truth mangizwa abakephi kahle
basela muntu
Basela bonke labo.
yeah for some weird reason I thought ilokishi claims
Hayi bo kanjani manje
ikomla seClermont ilelo
Row 6.
Pepe ukwafethu
lelasela muntu isigubhu
to tell the truth badanse
Yeah, badansisa kakhulu.
mangidlala ingoma zabo kwama-sets or ama-DJ mixes people respond perfectly mangidlala omagoqo esikhathini I'm not saying they're decent but isikhathi esiningi abayi-understand the sound until you find a certain community kodwa uma ufuna ukubadansisa mfethu Pepe Nkwa is the best like i-production yabo mfethu
nalabafana abasha labo boys khokhe Tepe
dog that nigga is not new dog
Awutshele ko-boy
ayithinike ngaleli igqomo elishalaleki manje othobeka wow
ama-top tops
top yahlaphaza njalo lo this
mfethu ngiyawuthanda lo moya online mfethu
ubabes omusha uthobeka nisini bafethu
hey kodwa mfethu sister
ngeke replace kodwa mesikhuluma iqiniso bro amawu she's the new
industry and with the numbers yes you can say that
Sanibonani show for Kevin Dwande and I'm back with another Shandis and I'm with my guy here.
Uyazi usimi wama 2000
Over 2K XO Krenjam.
Ngimnandi bathi
Ngimoja first mina but I'm a little bit happy and like feeling motivated again after a long time dog.
December
mhlawumbe kwenziwa yina ikhona lokho
December nje
namhlanje mfethu
wayithini umgilani uthi
December
thini weekend December in
Khotha umgilane manje bras
ibras mfethu yeah bafethu we are back in a new episode bafethu and this is episode bani 12 bafethu yeah we're still locked in bafethu still trying to chase the vision and yeah bafethu welcome to Sim and Kevin show. Today we have the most the most controversial. We just a profile picture we Instagram. That shit. What's going on, Vele?
Hle fethu buka their case yataka fethu and how he managed to pull through his system.
Sure.
That's my mentality, and you have to turn white kumhlaba ukuthi ukwazi ukusurvive.
Yes, let's give a shout out to Mateka bafethu.
Showcase.
Sevelo abeke statement ke la mfethu yabo sithi mfethu asikubize la ku show yethu mfethu sithi sifuna ukwazi nje ngawo mfethu as a producer yeqomo still doing the shit yabo mfethu you tapped in kwizinto eziningi mfethu ngaqala usitshele mfethu ukuthi uMatseha ubani kahle njalo
I know uMatseha mfethu igama agcwele nje aku-ID mfethu
yazi mina bengitshela ukuthi isibongo sakho uMatseha because kunomjeke kuthiwa Israel Matseke Zulu
eMozambique mfethu isibongo yeah negama lami futhi isibongo futhi
Showcase
which is crazy ile tattoo isho ukuthi kambuche isibongo isibongo eMozambique mfethu so
iqonda ukuthini kahle
Nhlanhla Nhlanhla or the intuitive one so ngaqanjwa i-time mfethu amagama amasephelele kahle uMatseka Cyrus Masinga stage name uMatseka phela
khona le stage name okusebenziswa siyeka
Usai the Great Usai ngithatha futhi kwigama lami uCyrus eBhayibhelini khona Isaiah 45 mfethu okhuluma ngoSide the Great inkosi yakhipha abantu ebuqileni so nalelo gama niyezwe itime mfethu u2 kahle kahle yabo so Side the Great kwakuyinkosi nje kubhaliwe nje uSide the Great so ngangisebenzisa lona for a very long time I think from 2019 because I started photography, bro. I never rap, bro. Hey, I'm a hip hop head. Yeah, I'm a hip hop head by nature. But took rap engangisaba ngazama ukuproduce ama-beats mfethu ngo 2016 yalahlekile laptop ngobu-update.
Let's go back to the gen lobusaqhubeka ke ngayo mfethu ufuna ukuzwa mfethu
so yeah amagama uMatseka Cyrus Masinga and 2016 I started photography mfethu so kahle kahle ngiphume eClermont Scomplaza mfethu Ndunduma so nama sections nakhona mfethu khona extension khona Ndunduma khona uDabeka
bawudumile nje uphuma ke
half ethu umlegana
DJ Leg
Trailer Nature
international party
actually yakhulu iClams afethu imingelinye ihema fethu khona neyithekeni too asana amapholoba she's in the promotion side
she's she has a channel we broadcast channel
yeah bro in fact I don't know if I should say this but get over la
you can say anything.
YouTube. But sasakhuluma na asana ngaxolisa mfethu. Actually you guys are the first ones to give me this opportunity.
Okay, even wanted to give you this opportunity before.
You actually the first ones to open up a door for me to tell the story. So I know Asanda has the podcast if it's ngangifuna ungena khona le igqom link nayikhona mfethu but angisazi noma basayiphusha yini yabo so I've been watching everything so from 2019 ngaqala mfethu ukushutha kwenye indawo ethu iseKapa Zone yabo esibizwa nge The Zone Lounge manje
The Zone Lounge la kade khona ishusha bang
awushusha mfethu
ushusha kafuna ukuzwa la mfethu lwazi mfethu mfethu
so khuluma mfethu uthi nawe shoshe thing convincing mfethu Scomplaza naye abazwa lo mfethu abakhole kakhulu izinto zama internet kakhulu bezumfake mfethu yabo so khona yisho ingoma mfethu engibiza ukuthi buza ushusha from my last project engikhiphe last year it's called Friends in Music khona uCasey Trader khona uCondition Boys khona uDiane Ghost khona umjito to shoot so going back here 2019 ngangishutha la kule ndawo mfethu Kapa Zone Friday to Sunday ngena u9 ngiphuma u12 every weekend yabo
shutha nje
ithombe nala nakhona mfethu ngifika bano Facebook kuphela abanawo ngisho Instagram dog and we had to create that page ila ngafunda khona mfethu actually sibonge mfethu ila ngafunda khona ukushuthi content at the same time ngenze ne social media futhi because ungathatha izothi ngayi social media manager yakhona yeah so you would understand mfethu indawo kanje yani letha ama artists mfethu othukuzini babefika ngaleza ikhathi besa push iclap umlegana mfethu obathola nakhona it's where I first met Uleg like face to face ngangizwa ngaye ngisakhula like sayintwana
ungazimbonile kushini
ngimbona kodwa ngimbonela kude na uthi mhlawumbe ngangisalutho engangazi personally kodwa ngisho ukuthi wayengiziba like is the most humblest person bafethu like don't get it twisted amthetho sesiza abaloko abaningi lokushini
sure
and namanje usaqhubeka yabo
so khona lempahla kanje ukuyishaya I'm not sure even go Durban July ubuye lokushini because ushaya
yaqala kuthiwa something for Claremont 2017 walethi ikati elokushini ngiqala ukubona ikati elokushini la kuqadi mfethu like yo umjito lethu kuqadi elokushini lapho seqalile ukuthora phesheya yabo nje simbona umuntu oqala uDJ ngambona mina mfethu ephethe ipahle emnandi mfethu igedlela elushapo iqoqa mnandi ama sports agista yonke into mfethu like kusayenzeka le yabo so isifiso sami kwaukuthi mina ngibe photographer yakhe masiba honest mfethu
that's why senzeka leso sifiso awuleke bro
ayingewune team kakhulu solid mfethu amjito yakhe iqonde kakhulu bros yabo but I never he gave me an opportunity. So ngaleso sikhathi ngisasibane zone, there was a time la wafika khona. Mayifika umfethu asho ukuthi hayi kuse ngizohost iboiler room khona i-event yethu ise Uhuru ke mfethu ese rank. Lapho iboiler room engazi ifike eDubane.
Sengayilalele yaleke.
La bro until the second one day khona lapha eKZN Art Gallery mfethu eNoblake. That was the second one. Leya kwakuyoqala ekhona eDubane. Asho mfethu akuse mfethu ngoba uyashutha mfethu pull up mfethu uzoshaya ithombe. Hayi ayikho ighost. Hayi lapho ngitshela Lova sengizenza ighost. Kuse bafethu ngiyazi akaphuma ishiphose yabo. Akuse azoshaya iboiler room. La uqonde lapha phuzwa mahala mfethu. Hawu bafethu ngayipotha kanjani? RSVP online. Yabo. Hayi kufikwe mfethu. Hayi qaleke. That's where I met most of the guys nakhona mfethu. Anticipated sounds.
Anticipated imshana.
Yes, ahlangene noMagoqa
futhi. Nomagoqa sebese goal man.
Sebese mcheap. Actually they called first week they moved to Mcheap.
Oh Pastor yabazi.
Ngabazi.
Bese goal na. Shout out.
Accepting kakhulu mfethu.
I felt ngithapped in both sides man. I've been watching the culture grow as it is now.
So i-channel yethu le Simi and Kevin show uyibone kanjani?
Swissy bro.
Oh, true
Swissy bro. I would definitely say Swissy really influenced me to watch an episode ngiqede.
Yeah.
I used to see a snippets because I have you guys on Instagram. Yeah, bro. And I'm like, okay, I sivukile khona impahla sivukile. Mina at some point I thought the impahla le umbe in that decision amapholoba. You part of it, yabona khona. But based on the beef that I have with them, I'm like,
it's a serious beef.
I don't like the owner, bro.
Yeah, you can have Shazam.
Yeah,
who's the owner?
But the second one. Yeah, I don't like him. I don't fuck with him.
Is it him?
No,
Who's the story, dog? Is it him?
So, ngathini tiyenze yafuthi efonini nakhona it's never been physical. Yabo. Epahlo wethi e-high school ngamfunda sithengile lokushini. Kwakhona umunye ibra wami uthiwa mfethu. Semkhohle igama mfethu. Lo bhaka wa limazi ithekeni yakhe. Babejola nje esigele yabo. And then ngizokuthu seyiphahlazile wajika wabephoyisa wayibulala yabo. So I posted that ngasho ukuthi ku internet ngathi kodwa lo mjida bethu to be honest sasimbona ukuthi unama anger issues e-high school yabo and sasimbona unama tension ka manje mfethu nginesikala kubhozo wami wangishaya ngetshe ngenxa yokuthi
awukatele unenkinga naye ngoba nje ukushaya ubhozo
umnganakhe. So uSobs I think he saw the post. Yeah, but I think he felt offended in some way and he thought mhlambe ngikhuluma kabi ngomngane wakhe kanti mina ngangikhuluma from a place of that nigga needs to heal. Njobe ezenza lento mina I'm not surprised.
Sure.
Yabo, so he came at me ngale ndlela ukuthi manje ngathi ngidisa umngane wakhe and ngayiziba lo text. Yabo, relax. And then I reached out to Asana Mapolo trying to get on the show. Nakhona never got a response because she said she's going to pass it through. And who's gonna
review into yakho?
So ngakenqeza emva lokho because manje singaunderstand how okay mhlawumbe it didn't happen that way nakhona I might be speculating things but emva lokho I never got a response. So I think uSobs unaleyo grudge against me and I don't have anything against him but after ukuthi ngibe denied an opportunity to get on the show.
Uzwile umgilani utheni kuleya episode?
Utheni?
Uthi abantu ungabanaki bro wami.
Yeah, ngimnakile bro and ngamtshela uAsanda ukuthi if you're going to continue working with this guy dog uzoba senkingeni. Yabo kwakhona ngisho uKnate ngalelo suku like literally ngabatshela kwebo 2.
Manager yaKnate.
Yeah, yabo ngamtshela ukuthi kusemfethu lo mjida lo uzokufaka inkingeni and that night I apologized mfethu bought a drink akaphuzi ke utshwala uAsanda mfethu she's a really focused lady and I admire that kule spaces
so. Hostile namhlanje mhlanga.
Oh yeah, it's a birthday.
Happy birthday
Asanda
phuma birthday yakho sigcwele ngawo.
And ukhule sisomdala mfethu. I'm so sorry for whatever I said. And I'm sorry if you lost anything based on what I said because I wrote things on my stories. And babe baningi abathi take it down.
Now we are crash out yini. Uya ku Instagram ukhale njengoma police.
Angishaye video but kube story dog and ngiyakutag. Yabo, and ngishiya njalo 24 hours dog. Ukuthi asibona kwa manje dog there's a card that I don't fuck with Uzuri.
Uzuri kwenzeni man ngiyamphetha
Uzuri owes me bro.
Yini imali zezingoma.
Not imali but i-projects. Remember I started off as a photographer, right?
Sure.
Esahlala ngala esihamba no-Q kakhulu.
Yeah.
Washada impahla yakhe uKuthiwe washada impahla with him play the same Gqomi first. Okay, Uzuri yena ngisukela lapha. Kuse ukhona ngomhla bani ngikhona ithini. I know mfethu ngisacela ngishaya izithombe nevideo lapha ngiyadlala. Okay, it's a big platform. Okay, sharp. Okay, what's the deal? I know ngizokuowisha ifave and I still have the text on my DMs. Nah man, tebuhlungile. Angikhulumi into wathi I know ngathi okay ngicela ingoma. Yabo. Lapho engablow up engaphunga ngisho insimbi wayesa Uzuri kodwa wayese Ghost Venali sekhathi yabo. Because wayesekhiphe le album yakhe khona le ngoma le khona noTira khona. I-Waves I think. Medusa something like that. Khona esona nomjida wa Black Coffee mfethu.
Sure yabona esona.
Kwakuleyo project kwakuleyo
umjida wa Black Coffee
ntwana yakhe mfethu yabo. So le project ayighost yaphuma amagogogo futhi I think.
Amagogogo.
Mfethu amagogogo kuyo ighost mfethu yalibona italent from amala way.
Amajida
So mfethu sivumelane okay fine. Oqala ngisuka ngemali yami from ekhaya dog. Ngiza again Uber dog. Fine sharp. Ngikhokhela mina ngimhluphi. Okay sifike ku-event sishaya ispani ngimshaya ispani content ngiyisethe kahle.
Nabi right
ayikhona i-right mfethu ngiphethe kahle kamnandi sharp. Need to get back home okay na inyuku mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibhokhile ngamshiya khona mina ke dog when I'm done with this span I don't stay long bye. Emva lokho mfethu ngimnikeza i-content I post the futhi on his page sharp. 2023 lento yenza nini 2024 I mean. Uzuru say lento ayiyona manje.
Yeah.
Now I'm working on my last project le ngikhiphe last January. Zuri dog. Remember that favor you said you owe me? Sure. Can I please have it now? I know if it's beat related no.
How?
Washo nje wavuma kodwa 2022 because yaphatha ngo22 ngizokuowisha ifavor and ngasho mina ngicela ingoma okay sharp kodwa wamanje unganginiki it's fine I won't use it.
Yini bufuna anginike ingoma yezini
ngifuna mfethu kwenza sense at that time kube ngayikhipha as a solo yazuri mfethu wouldn't make sense as of fluctuate it's like omagoqa mfethu ngeke omagoqa angaze ngibahluphe ngoba bacela ingoma or anything based on my favors because nabo ngangathorisha nabo as a photographer sebe branch out from me anticipated and namanje sisazwana mfethu sisakhuluma no Chase sisakhuluma no KB mfethu sisakhuluma noma
ubalo washona konje
uba
for me anticipated akhumbule
ukuthi washona
ubani nje washona for me anticipated for real dog washonela la
into
izovusa inhliziyo ezibhlungu
anticipated
ubani kwangasuye uChase uba manje lo munye
uVasaji
ukhumbula uVasaji
mhlawumbe izinkazi ama-explosion
inkazi ama-explosion phela mina anticipated ngilazi ngesikhathi se-explosion
saphabazo
ngiyabona ukuthi
ngilanda kude mina
I want to know but like ngiyakubona usebenze nabantu abaningi but who like same after you working with them bavele be blow up but do you like ubone i-betrayal in sort of a way bese kulama SSDs kanjalo uthi uyababona uqeda ukusebenza na sebeya blow up aveze
I would say all of angibabambeleli inhliziyo it's fine bathathile risk bayimjip yabo like I said uma ngaba kwi-code noma no Tony lo kwi-Detroit beqala ukuyemjip first week washo ukuthi kusefethu sesimuvele sa emjip and asazi ukuthi success sowenze njani sobona phambili ama-fethu ghost fethu and he specializes kwi-sound engineering so he's the one that masters the whole thing nje uyizwe iclean kanje
Bastard ngathi khona ilento leyo Bastard ngathi khona i-record label abasayine kuyona ngibabona nje bese studio ungasho ukuthi si-blind
I don't know niggas doing their own thing bro the only people that I know ukuthi how they're moving is omagoqa uLegi
manje awungitshela ke uLegi wayithenga leya beat amanikiniki Ikhumbule anticipated
legwalenza iqiniso
waphusha amajita kahle wawuphusha amajita
walenza iqiniso
because akushintshanga lutho lapha
akushintshanga lutho ingoma nje iyona yabo ingoma iyona wavele nje
yazi ingakaphumi
thina siyazi phela sayidlala emateksini
bungayazi le version yakudala
njengoba ngisho mfethu umuntu
ongithi
nama anticipated leg mina futhi I was a hip hop head like by nature 2016 bengilalela Nasty mfethu namanje ngisamlalela mfethu MC mfethu seshaya incinga mfethu
angifuni ukujabula
mfethu yabo nje angangi igqom mfethu angibuka ngathi ngicwelile dog to be honest and I only started liking
what made you like wanna become a gqom producer and a gqom
bro mina ngizolokhe ngimeshe igama laleke bro because I've seen like do the impossible like wayehla kadabeka kubakhulela khona efunde webank esinye isikole ethu webank high kuseduze nasesontweni so that's where I really got introduced because umunye umjita ngisonta nasesontweni ongizisa ice drop ubani ke lo lapho mina nginendaba ngilalele lo Rick Ross mina yabo anginendaba ne-ice drop ubaleka mina ngilalela Rick Ross WMG McMinn mfethu yonke leyo nto
usubona ivideo yakho manje singaselokishini uthi
yabo I'm like lo wangasekhaya nje futhi uleke I don't know if many people know this uleke waqala kwi-group kwakwi-group ekhona yena uTempo noTimen lo agcine movie Onjandini mfethu Onjandini so I think I was in grade 11 10 waqala kwi-group and then wabranch out solo esesayina ne-Black Major the agents akuyona manje le i-manager yakhe is uSivi Spaniolini she's also giving me very very good opportunities lo mama mfethu blessing from above so what do we
besikhuluma indaba yaleke
sure so amanikiniki kahle to say the least like didn't buy the beats but wapush all of so ekupusheni all of akusho ukuthi uzoba spoon feeder nakhona I think aba monetize ngale yampahla omagoqo because they never look back after Manini beats
fit
I don't know what went wrong
Beats always a story
they should have ridden the wave yabo because omagoqa rode the wave yamanikiniki after amanikiniki things were never the same bro after for these three guys they never look back
yakuyingoma le
hayi yampahla leyana mfethu ngakenqa zakho nami ngizwa bro like iziphume mfethu
uthini ke ngaleli igqomo elishalaleke manje othobeka wow
ama top tops
yasaphasa njalo lo these
mfethu ngiyawuthanda lo moya online mfethu
ubabes omusha uthobeka nithini bafethu
kodwa mfethu sister ngeke
replace kodwa mesikhuluma iqiniso bro amawu she's
the new industry and with the numbers yes you can say that she is the most relevant
Babes noma
uthobeka like I don't want to bet my to Babes Babes I've actually been on tour nabo benomampintsha for Bonnie and Clyde I was their photographer and
how's their relationship
guys buddies bro abangani mfethu kwangabonani siyajola sisama celebrate mfethu mohlele endlini mfethu ekuse ayambozenzela ndoda yabo
khuleke ubabes utshela mampethu uthi ambozenzela ukudla
thina amahleli as a team before no not like that hey not like that but in a way ukuthi laba abantu mfethu beba abantu
sure
especially noma pictures akhona bro to actually believe in me ngangino 1 year ngenza photograph lapho ngiphatha iCanon 4000D the most amateur camera you can find a Canon and umuntu uhamba amathoa serious and uthi mfethu let's go along that meant a lot for me and now low connection futhi ngikuthola ngayo umlegani yabo so right now mfethu I don't want to disrespect to
do you have like on speed dial
nah don't talk like that anymore
bekufuna nje ukushara
from 2020 I think from 2021 we stopped talking like that. I lost my phone. Nakhona walatha nenumber yakhe. I still have him on IG. but hey, mfethu kwamanje dog we're not close like that. People that I'm really close with like that, oh my god, man. You can literally, they're the ones that I have on my Insta and WhatsApp.
Uthi nalezi iy'ntwana ezintsha-ke ngiyababona umagoqa abadala oBhebhe ogwana like
to tell the truth. To tell the truth, mangizwa abakephi kahle
Baselamonti.
Yeah. For some weird reason, I thought ilokishi claims
kanjani manje
ilokishi laseClermont lelo
Row 6
Bhebhe ukwafethu
lelaseLamonti isigubhu
to tell the truth
badansisa kakhulu
mangidlala ingoma zabo kwama-sets or ama-DJ mixes, people respond perfectly. Mangidlala omagoqo esikhathini I'm not saying they're dissing, but isikhathi esiningi I understand the sound until you find a certain community. Kodwa uma ufuna ukubadansisa mfethu, Bhebhe Nkwa is the best. Like i-production yabo mfethu.
Nalabafana abasha labo uBoys Khokhe Debe.
Dog, that nigga is not new, dog.
I was telling go boy, go boy, hype
I feel like I'm a producer for my group who shine cool.
Because bahlukana nalomjito we-SPA. So engaproduce kodwa uPax.
Wengaproduce.
That's
the thing.
Mbona
we are sheshukusala dog. Yahlukana igroup.
Banokuthi mina nawe ngu-produce
wena
unzima uku-DJ
wena ulandela mina kodwa masisimele skip ingoma
wena oblandi
I think that's what happened to Boy.
Angazi noma uPax wayedansa yini wenzima ukudansa yini
kodwa West Behavior was coming good, dog. I like that tour,
even with them boys now it's the same thing. Stingray Too Blind ngenamba angazi lo munye umjida lo mpofu
kuthiwa masebehlukana uzobona umehluko.
uStingray vele babedansa bobawu2 kodwa uStingray uyena ongasho ukuthi uthela inamba kakhulu Rem Boys.
Na masebehlukana uzobona umehluko.
Yini ngalento yokuhlukana kwamagroup bafethu namarota ayenzile lento iBlack Motion yayenza lento ne Distraction Boys but iyabuyelana Distraction Boys
Distraction Boys ngiyawuphina babone bo2 babuye bahlukane futhi like i-gameplay yabo is way smarter. I think
it's working for them.
It's working for them.
Indaba lama-artist engasebenzi bho like ahlukane forever and you don't tend to hear from them for a long time.
Nayi Liquid Deep yanikhumbula Liquid Deep ihlukene maye ithoka kabe South Africa ihlanyisa abantu ngengoma zakudala isaperforma iBBM
classic. Phela ongakabi khona TikTok kwangabi khona ama gimmicks dog. That was real music. Real music doesn't get old, bro.
That's one thing. Deep House
akakhulu bro. Ngangisort Candy Fan, Oskito, Church Grooves, Brazo wena lengifaka lapho.
Ubani Fresh
no DJ Fresh Euphonic mfethu ama-CD yakhona sakhona namanje. I was trying to sell them the other day bathi abathathe cash converters walalela
akekho walalela bavele
lapho ahlele ekhaya mfethu awenze fuck all the dog and like also Candy Euphonic yangwabekile dog Oskito Church Grooves lento yami kahle kahle ukuthanda no music and ubona ne visual DJ kwi laptop yabhuti wami. I was still in primary. That's unlocked something for me.
Now miyazi i-visual DJ yayidownload ubhuti wami but I'm the one who felt like yabo imini ngaba nothando lwe-visual DJ ebulayo
nebrazo lamali
but yayidownload yena kwi laptop yakhe
yabo kasiza kanjani ukuthi kube ne-access kwi-computer
from that early age ivula umqondo leyanto yabo nje uproducer sikubambe from an early age
bamba umqondo leyanto
producer into engasile uthi ayilalela leto fuck shit ile ngoma track in yabo track in uphinde ubonze yabo manje sanja sesiya
improve. But with the new sound, dog, I love it. Right now I'm 28, turning 29 next year. And angifuni kube le brazo fethi ay leli qoma safani. Hey, I knew it, bro. I like the sound people that are coming with abo. Let me think, bro. People like abo Detroit. I like that sonic sound they're bringing. There's a girl called Usheri C. She's from the UK.
Sure.
I ghost name. So she's coming in. She's a piano, artist. She has a project noma kodwa in fact under Elias kodwa yashintsha amagama.
Yashintsha amagama.
Khona ligama ethi The Ascension. So their project inoma kodwa noZuri kuyona sasiyirecorda 2023 kwesinye studio ngase Howard. Yeah, so they flew down from the UK uyena nomngane wakhe they are Jew kwakhona omakota kule studio camp all those scripts babekhona mfethu bani nje lo mchito nama-dread nje the hip hop niggas were there too. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. He was there too. OP Dog, babekhona mfethu. So we
uzazoke lezi
yeah mfethu bonke labo lobo Mac11 mfethu
Mac11 eyashisa
uMac studio sakhe mfethu
eyashisa uMac11 mfethu itepen kwaito
you gave us a platform
kwaito leyamchita
yamchita mfethu and I feel like he's gonna get his turn.
He's gonna get his
soon enough.
Needs to get his business in order though. To be honest, my G, I'm sorry to say this, but get your business in order though.
What do you mean about that?
You can't. I don't know what he's going through personally.
Yeah.
But treat this as a business, dog. Mawufuna ukudrive ku-music, dog. Treat this as a business, not as a hope.
Yeah.
Baningi all over bathwempu namanje ngibaziyo mfethu abasa-stuck kwinto eyodwa.
Same here.
I'm gonna drop. I'm not scared of niggas, dog. I'm name drop, dog. Niggas, all Spy Cause from Claremont, they've been DJs, producers. Basa Claremont namanje. Dog sekuna 28 mina ngangnas 18 ngibukela kuwena manje usenza the same thing. Come on. Yabo.
So dala la Petaville.
Faith 7 gigs. Jabulela ama right mfethu no to put but no
snake. Babuji man.
It doesn't make sense.
When uthini Ombali no snake, you don't fuck with them.
Mfethu ngithrowile manje. Invisibly. There's a girl that I'm with. Ngasiza mfethu kuba relationship is stable. Mawule spaces kanje. To keep your mind grounded.
Yeah, sharp.
So I'm angkhani ngabo, and especially the girls that are becoming club promoters. That's not my type. At some point ngangimhlohla uZuru ukuthi swashele wathi ayina ngithi
when type yakubani who's your type?
Type yami thina esontayo bro. Even my girl dog Muslim. Ayesontweni bro, ayesontweni. I don't mind if she drinks, but angabhemi mfethu. Angabhemi nanokuthi angangitsheni ngeindustry lengikuyona okudlula mina. Angangazi lutho. Like my girl doesn't know any people. Like she knows the few famous ones, but she doesn't really care. And the people that are in the industry don't know her.
Sure.
So that's why I wanna. But I like to keep it.
So you won't date someone who's in the industry?
Nah.
Would you advise someone to get into this industry? Advise you should say, okay,
there's two options.
That's a
late.
Ungangena, but you need to go to school for it. More discipline, more net discipline. You go to create skills sakho perfect. And you need to be in terms of your business strategy. Right now, I am creative agency, which is my own company. That means I get ngikhiphela imali.
Clement Finest what?
A group there. Sengisho structure some business when it comes to music. So I have 3 people that are helping me. I am creative agency, which is my own company. I own 100% of it. That means mangifuna ukuza njoba ngizela for an interview, I need to pay for my own Uber. Nobody's gonna sponsor me.
Sure.
If I wanna create an artwork and meaning graphic design, maybe puming me na mali. But I own everything. I own my masters and everything, which is good. And I own my own creative direction. And the second one is the distribution, which is Europe Nation.
Sure.
And the third one that I'm trying to seal off with Deal Nabo is a Social Diary. It's a new company that's owned by Q's girlfriend and Q. I think so.
Social Diary.
Yeah, we were talking recently. We need to meet up. So I need them on the branding side. Now, if I have those 3 and it publish,
Q.
she's more into PR and branding. She's the one that's handling
branding
Q right now.
She branding Q,
and it's going far, bro. So I'm trying to get under a roster, but hopefully. So those are 3 people that are actually helping me get track.
Sure.
And my friends, mangabe ngidinga somewhere mfethu because anginamoto
Shubile
bro.
Abakhohlwa kodwa.
Yeah, mfethu ayilutho mati asuka kude kakhulu dog. Umuntu efethu isame ngelambu dog.
Ilambu
dog. So izogcina kuhlangene wathi igcineni dog. It's fine.
Tell me a bit about branding mfethu yabo ngoba nawe sakhuluma mfethu. Nathi mfethu yabo sinazo mfethu ama hiccups njengeSimien Given Show. And we want to understand more about branding because it comes with like the attention. For once your brand is clean and it's good and for the people and people come to you. Isebenza kanjani mfethu ngoba ngathi
understand. Abantu bayeza kuthina like nangu Matheke man. He's the one who say machine.
That means you're doing something right.
You're doing something right. But like Given, I think what we work DM.
Way back. Hey, you don't have to say like that. Come on. That was 2022. I was still on the photography side though. So it didn't make sense.
Sure.
I was still a photographer. Yeah. Music, if it's got out, there was even a point where I played with Metro Dog 2016. I was still 18, dog. And I stopped. But got this cartoon DM. I wasn't really into the music thing anymore. But I'm saying focus with okay. I would think I'm music because I think I'm focus like the my camera.
Sure.
Then all of our move, I'm cheap.
Tell Pelile Lutsado my camera bro.
I paid it to come back my singing shooting to them.
Sure.
Yeah, but to shoot I'm good. I'm good. Especially it came to a point like when all of us be ambili cheap, so segmenting shoot him shot. So dog, that's not my favorite thing to do. I want to shoot him shot 2 days later to sack for nearly 250 or 1,000. It did to sack for but expect to so it did a told me in 2 days. Come on.
I got to the comment to put in the shot.
I get it. Yabo because ngasengiyela imali dog ngasengilambile
but lapha ubhala nge-hour don't
and melu understand futhi ngomshado sikhona ama sections omelu washoot and mongashuthanga bayakhala mongashuthanga bafaka iring mongashuthanga ngifaka right kuseo solanga leso sithombe kanti mina mhlawumbe ngicabanga enye indlela ukuthi ama angle ami yabo like ibrazo nje obisho dog there's no creativity there it ends up feeling like a job rather than doing something that you love. Yeah, but so when you DM me, I was going through that phase. Baningi vethu abantu that wanted to reach out and work, and now I was also doing the same to some other people and bengiziba. And now I understand that the economy is tough. People are trying to figure out their own ways. You know, Instagram sometimes might look like, hey, someone has it good, but curation. But you never know what's happening behind the closed door.
The closed door,
but to be honest, I saw that DM, bro, and I'm sorry. And I'm sorry, bro. But the fact that I came and I reached out, because you didn't reach out. I was the one that reached out. In fact, being super. In fact, most of the time, because now I see you, except. This nigga is up to something, and I don't want to miss this wave, and big up to you guys.
Yes.
We need people like you, like Dubai, never fail. And I wish you all the best. You grow with the faith.
You love it.
So, at Dubai, we are the
dogs, culture. Okay, I'm not speaking bad about it. Come therapy, but it come therapy. Ngabe come therapy. Apparently, alesandala.
Yes, it's tough.
Umlu perfect. Asiwale
Dubai. I don't know. If it's from here, then I kiss. Okay. Yeah, I saw that episode.
Matwala Dubai.
Echo. Yeah. I know sibonga kakhulu for that. But we shouldn't go to Jozi.
We shouldn't go to Jozi.
Yeah, we shouldn't go to Jozi for
Oh, you
that.
say that, no.
For the sound, too. Jozi should come down to us, bro.
Yeah.
We should have the platforms. We should have the venues.
Sure.
They should come to places like this for experience raw.
Sure.
Jozi right now, what's happening? Everyone's even ama-supermodel dog amathekeni. Siyagibela kwi-wave. There's this girl that I work with Umini saw this wave early 2021 and she said she wants to be a Gqom DJ. At that time kwakusakhona le Thekeni la eSithawa the Ninja umbubali le Thekeni mfethu DJ ayo kodwa
oh DJ Sibani
but nje image kube ininja I forgot her name bro not CDK I forgot her name. DJ Japanese. No, that's not DJ Japanese. But
DJ Japanese
yeah, she's like that aura type girl. That's the first girl I knew at DJ Gqom. But it's going because I don't at that time. And then she moves to Joburg and try and correct it. But I think I understand why all of her being booking that much. But they booking her in some places like I haven't seen her play for a listening party. Oh my God. You haven't?
Haven't seen it. It's a
DJ
Gqom. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Sister.
It was just housing.
Bro. Lele dlala manje noma lele
Gqom la manje. Lo Pepe wow. Thank boy. Isethi yakhe yase Greenhouse. It was the best set ever lapha yasinto wadlala nezingoma zakho.
She's still after she's still after
bro.
Under
Afro.
Yeah.
Not sure.
Sengebu interview yakhe recently mfethu. Yeah. Still sa under kwelo.
Shout out to Sindo.
Qeda ukwina ileto le. I-best what? Qeda ukwina i-award njalo. Angazi noma bekuyi lawa la Saw wabona beno who's this Fisherman shout out to them
Brazo
Fisherman
ngabe mfethu asiyenze without those guys to be honest ngaba siyenze le anto mfethu yabo le especially ingoma zoSindo ngikhumbula mfethu edlala emshadweni wa-aunt wami dog way back like yibona abantu abasenza ukuthi this music thing is cool to do mfethu lapha sanothi ucula ngani yabo kana le
ngiyacula nje
I'm like ngicula phambi kwetime ayingigostele mfethu ngiyacatha mfethu manje
awantini wewe
angazi mina time yabo angazi time antisama lababo uthi ucula inyongo ke manje mfethu nokona impahla le ya professor nathi zabe wena umibhaka esigele mfethu ecule lo phahla sifunde primary lapho
ngiyabona leyo phahla le
uthi uyiculelana lazelapho lelo gama
uJezabel
yabo so like what I'm trying to say is with the music first we have a responsibility now the new age to teach the kids the proper way of living. Don't promote drugs, don't say crazy words. I know they work for club music like
hayi laba bayifuna lento
ukuyile lento kwipiano isebenzile the spirituality ipiano mfethu has uplifting music bro into ongalaleka nogogo wakho but uphinde uyidansele eclub
uphinde uyidansele
yabo like we're still trying to find a way
nanje neqhomo liya evolve uThukzini manje ungamlalela umdlala umdlale nomndeni
Thukzini mfethu ayimasterishile mfethu izini project yakhe kucina mfethu
hayi
izini Mavis
bro lezilika mfethu Thukzini mfethu ayike
there's this one song there enonkosazana daughter mfethu
imani ngifuna sikhompelele ama-album ke
sure
you can't
hayi nawo ama-album
put me on the spot
aphumile na ama-album eyafaka Q-Years
okay
Thukzini who's this Thukzini uQna uLegi uFunky Q la udrophile single but i-album yakhe
so no AKD
ngibona no A-Kid shout out to A-Kid
A-Kid dog is coming
shout out to A-Kid kade ese Blenda Uganda
Uganda
shout out
say international shout out
manje ngithini bafethu ngalama artists who has the best Gqom or Devon Sound thingy best album
me first
for you
based on the last album Thugzin album angithi sasanda ukuphuma vele like leya sayilalela like ngangijwayele ukusebenza ngawo first khona siyisipane ngashaya 1 month ngayeka but siyasikho lapho yabo esasipanda ka the album mfethu every song dog we used to play it every fucking day dog ayisipori lapho mfethu so I would say like Thugzin mfethu yeah, but it's been delivered.
Why do you say that? In terms of his sound, like Bori or the vision, or
no, in terms of his sound, like Bori.
Okay.
Something you can listen to every day, like above it. Okay. If I listen to this song, you can hear ukuthi kunalo international sound there. Ayikho too raw futhi smooth nje. So I will say it's Udlala Thugzin based on the last project.
For you, Poison?
For me, I have 2, and I have reasons why. One, Thugzin.
Sure.
Thugzin, there's message in the content. And appeals. And you can tell ukuthi uthatha isikhathi sakhe when he makes his music.
Oh, no skills ukropile njalo
ngimbala. Skills. Ngilokho ngibona ama-post then nje mfethu yabo. But ngisazosithola mfethu isikhathi bro. Yeah, that's when you need the team. That's what I'm saying. You need the business side.
Sure.
You can be blind the scene, but business lakho mangaqondile your structure. I-attack vele ifloathe i-algorithm talking ingoma ephumayo almost daily ama-stats ngigcina kuthiwa 100,000 or more
daily.
Every Friday. Every Friday.
And you have to fight your way through that.
So the second one?
Tell Thugzin, right? The second one has to be Q. You know why I say that? Q has a vision for igqom lengifunayo yokuba global.
Sure.
Nokuthatha le gang ehlala esicomplazi iwuski ethathiswa njengamanika.
Phela naye uqoka kanjalo Q. Umbona idedele iblue elingaka. Uthini uNosipho futhi uQ iphuma neblue.
Ngithandela. Ngithandela lokho bro. Yabo like with Q with vision anayo mfethu na wish angathola support eningi from intwana
relaxile lela brazo futhi ngalibona kwi event ya Faki Q la dog toilet lethu as ama public nje ama generalize le event toilet lethu bro echama nathi dog ungichama no Q yabo irazo liyaphethe ipholeni
even now ngizama ukuthola mfethu even now ngizama ukuthola iverse lakhe mfethu yabo and understand now ubedlule into eninayo sanokudlula olede mfethu yabo kuningi mfethu iyashintsha mfethu
condolences
so ukusho kwami mfethu udlala noThugzin not deciding udlala mfethu no Q. But when it comes to uleke mfethu ngeke ngihova kakhulu uzozasho naye la ikhona
uyangifuna lensizwe
yabo straight brazo ngithanda amathekeni brazo ungathuki
yabo for me bafethu lezi zinto lezintsha uGoldmax uTaki Boy and
umusha
iwave
ile new wave boys konke Durban yabo nje le album bafethu it's the one for me ngiyayizwa leyo Thugzin ofaki Q le
iyona phela le letha wonke la amanye ama provinces thawo
ngiyabona bese
yona le sound isiya global
basilethela la amanye ama communities aphuma koGoli
sure
gayo le sound yabo sebadinga
yazi ukuthi mina that gqom culture like where I see them fail but in terms of promotion dog yabo in terms of like yabo ukupromote the sound vele awole sekuzoduma ingoma njengamagwenya amnandi vele yabo but they don't promote that sound vele into a max vele
izopromote ubishuthwa nje ivideo amagwenya izophuma izodrop
in terms of challenge for number 1 spot if it's go Apple Music and do that
niggas like that don't care about that as long as you move like strat but right because they want to cause it more gigs for the weekend imali yangena dog what do you care about views or money?
Isn't that like open up a new
I know but yabo indlela engibona ngathi ba-operator bancumela ukuthi istrati siyakhuluma then ama-views ayalandela kubona. Dog, that's why these niggas gig every weekend.
Awuseshe lapho useshe i-top 10. I just want us to debate about lezi ngoma ezikwi-top 10 nje ukuthi what's happening.
Of course, top 10. Ukuthi 10 khona.
Ngeke ngayibona.
Ingene kanjani le ngoma yaTiri awungazi?
Utera.
Awukho
yothi ngithusi yala.
Yeah, but nah,
feel nina le ngoma awungazi.
I've never listened to it.
All over bayithandani yasekhaya ngisho uthele ngoma.
Ngibona ngama-story.
Ibisidlala kodwa ngeke ungadansi Toy.
Yeah, and mhlawumbe ngiplagile ngaleso sikhathi ngizodansa vele kodwa ngeke ngithole ngithi ngiyivula manje efonini yami ngela.
Ikhona futhi nayi top 10.
Ikhona kwi-top 10. Ubalele izingoma la.
Top vele kunayo.
Ngeke maskandi. Maskandi yoncengonyo.
Fethu. Maskandi dog.
Ema ukhona uSimamani kubahle angazi.
Akekho dog.
Ngeke uSimamani hayi whatever.
Top 10 Fethu skills, imama, Semdeep, Shela. Tukutell mawengane ufuna nje Fethu mawengane top 10 Fethu. Kodwa Fethu is not like a song that is big Fethu.
Mawengane ya.
Bawuthanda abantu ngale ndlela le.
Ama-numbers awo.
Mawengane yasho le ngoma hula. Mahube wena.
Ukusona mahule yana.
Khona ne. Uvele mawengane yalahla.
Konje sokubani?
In a message. Okay, in a message.
Yabo.
Mahule bakulango ngiphe enye ingoma kakhona mahule nalabafana uJesu.
Bengicela nayi khona. Bese kuba uyongcongonyoko, Isaka, uyena. Professor Order. So akona ingoma ekuthiwe. One
na two. Ngathi bangathola mfethu, ngathi bangathola.
Bangathola khona no professor la.
Le kulonyaka ithukuthela no Jazz.
Shout out boy. Shout out.
They're so humble, bro. And like they're so low key. Bakhulumela ispan nabo lo mfethu. Like you don't find them throwing ama trends.
Ipiano liko lapho no inikapa
no piano.
3.
Le ngoma le
3 songs manje.
Le ngoma itobetha hayi labafana bayifuna leda ayikho lapho.
Ayikho leda.
Yo.
Kodwa ingoma yasestradini yani.
Itobetha.
So yeah itobetha. So when for you yipi ingoma ungasho ukuthi must take number 1 lapha. Naba umama siyabezwa Isaka. Uma wengane yoncengo awungazi.
Yabo
Tukuthe inde noThukuthela mfethu Isaka banani Isaka nani?
Ingoma yamaskandi yodwa lapho.
Yoncengonyoka.
Iyodwa.
Mfethu kube Isaka mfethu ngokwami.
Isaka bro wami la deserve Isaka liyavutha
kodwa mfethu yoncengonyoka dog. Yoncengonyoka mina sengivotelele yoncengonyoka.
Ngathi amabhinqa mfethu athengama airtime mfethu ayiposti kapro amavota la manje.
Kodwa ke tengisho ngeke siqamba manga sithi ilo maskanda okho mnandi. Ubusulalele kahle. Ubusukhala
ngifake kuwona. Bengawazi nami maskanda uyikosana until ithekeni yami
ngifake.
Maskanda lapha my connect mfethu uyitetele maskanda bro.
Bro wami yabo ku event awuthi ngene igqomo okungena umaskandi uzobona abantu uzobabona abantu ukuthi obani abantu bebeshona phansi kwangempela
but that's the difference but ngokubona
ngase nakwi oledi mfethu sempangeni so umaskandi will always have a heart
isound yaseKZN the sound of KZN
bengawuthandi for a very long time online
ubungathandi
hip hop head one time
program amantombazane intombazane enhle ubona ukuthi engane yinhle kodwa ilalela umaskandi vele ngiphoxa hawu
bro yasala
ufanele uswize lapho dog you just want to shout out Jaytwaneni sisho ukuthi siyayibona event inquiry
mfethu noma singisobathole nabo lavo magoqo yeah
probably last just now shout out
just
ufanele uswize lapho
just
don't have data bro ile chachile price yona sure
uzayibamba
noma goqa nabo bengaze ngikhulume noLevo Chase uChase yaza ngimazi omduna
amduna ngisaloba naye
insukeni
offline umzamo
offline bese sizathi ufonela Warren bese partner yakhe
partner yakhe
online
umfoni mhlawumbe ndawo
Fonela manje
awuswisi nje
bese nje push
wena umazele yakho
uswisi ngiqala umbona kwile mpahla eshawula Ace
ini lempahla library rose
that was the first day I saw him and then the second time
hola Warren shout out to your live Simon Kevin show mfethu manje siya record
Warren Masimula
Hola boy
athi love
ikwen butamo
mfethu mathe hala
Swiss
Warren
Warren mfethu noma uzongikhumbula yini ngazi le ndoda uSwiss le awukho naye
alright besifuna nje bafethu ukushare out asisho ukuthi siyayibona i-event yenu ebeyi-ghost nje ngiyazi machida shout out phansi
yeah 032
yeah phansi
032 shout out bafethu kumashe kanjani phela
event iwekrene bese standard isinyuke kakhulu kunaqala
ngibonile jabe
bephothule ngibonile ngathi uSizwe bethathe right
yabuza sebutheni awuphindele wethu
ngithi beniphothule lapho ngibonile ngathi uSizwe bethathe right bengevehlinile kwideck Kona lo fethu bese bamba iroof lapha egibela ngothayela kanje ngisho ijambe
ivolume 100
azasho mathi
akhulunyiswana
ivete nje mimashe granda siyajabula majida on the other side
siyabonga kakhulu bafethu
nyazi majenzi
shout out lapho mfethu zokufonela lezo okay boytak shakes
uthita majida so chase ifeso ukuthi what happened between anticipated angisazi story seanzi mina ukuthi manje umagoqa
hlapho siphuma kanjani
okay it's ringing at least Chase we good you're live on a podcast we're shooting here
the live Simon Kevin show fans bathi lapho Chase show fans siphethe ubhaka la fans ithini ulele nangu Simi unombuzo la fans
Ukraine my brother what's the code inside Azasha if we queuing uyazi now
sure
yeah mfethu I have a question la yabo I've been a Gqom fan from since back in the day yabo ngathini bengilandele anticipated nisanonke yabo so I wanted to know ukuthi what happened emajideni mfethu kwi-anti with omagoqa separate yabo
it was just that we had different right like missions at that time so we had to go our separate ways because so person of well so that is how we ended up being split but there was no bad blood between us
alright ngiyakuzwa bro
because the manje can even see we all together
yeah shout out success pupu lapho baba pupu
buka phela mfethu I have a question lengoma le yalegi ulegi wenza njani ethatha le ngoma manikiniki kunina because ayishintshwanga phela ibeat yale ngoma Oh, alright. I shout out Machita sanibona mina anginibona from afar yabo. Sengisizwa uMatheko ukuthi ngize ngikhulume nawe. Shout out Jam yabo.
Sikudinga kwishow mfethu,
Nibuya nini eDubane Machita? Ijozi lanigwinya indaba naphungwanga.
Listening party eDubane, listening party guys.
Asayidingi listening party bafethu. Alright.
Ama-promoter lawa Bokani, Igwegwe.
Alright, shout out Machine.
Kodwa khuluma noLinda mfethu uMajola mfethu Hugh Cafe. That's a nice venue, bro. I think you can work something out there.
Yeah, don't worry. I was actually speaking
uMatheke bengimbuza la ngolova mfethu ngathi akabazi bokolova be-anticipated. Do you remember my brother Versace? Yeah.
RIP to him.
RIP to Versace dog. Yeah. I still remember those days. Inhliziyo zethu zazibuhlungu sonke mfethu in the Comcast. Yeah, shout out Chase.
Sikudinga kwishow Chase. Ngathi ne-information eningi baba.
Oh, yes.
Shout out
whenever you're in Durban, dog, yes.
Siyabonga bafethu. That was Chase mfethu.
Showcase ngiyabonga Mate.
That was Chase mfethu. Shout out to him mfethu.
Salute.
Shout out to him mfethu. As we are about to wrap the show bafethu. Do you have any last question mfethu after this episode?
Nothing else.
I'm working on a new EP. It's called State of Mind. Have Zuri. No, not Zuri.
Zuri, Jekad.
Hey, don't have Zuri. No. There's no Zuri there. We have so far Economy Mchit into Anetsu Komkit. DJ Mahembe. Yeah, DJ Mahembe. We busy on DJ Mahembe sometimes. I don't know his real name because I do Komkit. Masek release on my DSP with DJ Mahembe. So he needs to decide.
Yeah.
And then there's a guy.
And
then there's a guy called Diane Coast. On it, there's a guy called Ushucha. The girl called Akari from Japan.
Japan international feature.
We have to have that one. And I'm still waiting for vocals from Q. So please Q first.
Kwasikwamnandi ukudansa ino-space pose sure mina ngiyisesha-ke la ey'nkundleni kwasikwamnandi ukudansa yikho bro.
It's an exclusive. I think izobe ya-space. I'm not sure i-team iplanani yabo or i-team yabo i-clan yabo. But that's a nice song yabo. But yeah, so far la ama-feature mfethu engiwalindele. And yeah, after that, say drop of it, so we'll see what happens.
Bookings, sikuthola kanjani?
Bookings for now, it's just IG, uMatheka khona. It's just igama elihlangene, yonke into ihlangene. Yeah, and emails it's dprtscreative@gmail.com. My number vethu ongayifonela it's 069-186-2596.
Shout out.
So that's where you can get me after a project drop, and I'm planning to do a listening session too.
That's what's up.
Call us to the listening session. So broadcast.
Please come through. Please will be like this hotel,
Onomo Hotel.
Yeah, we're trying to speak to those people there. I need like a safe environment, safe space. Everyone's just gonna be sitting down and me explaining the whole song and the whole concept. So I don't want a party. I just want you guys to listen and have nice questions. Yeah, but intimate. So yeah, next year, 2026, we're doing that.
2026 is our year.
Obvious.
Hey,
Simeon Kevin and Mateka. I will shoot a cappella next year.
It's our year.
Yeah, but yeah, hopefully Petsu. Wow, go next year.
Yazi, usimama ama 2000. Make sure you subscribe, like, click, comment. Yeah,
and share Buffett. Don't forget to share. My intro. Oh yeah, but I'm not intro of mine. But then
it's given one way.
It's given one way, and I'm here. It's me and Given show with Mateja. Say, follow us. I just have a cool to say.
Thank you. Showcase.
Io na JC, you know. Oh, man, say
very much perfect. I dropped those names just for a controversial.
Just
yeah. Okay.
Ushaje encanyana icontent
ezobe ya IG first quick.
IBCT.
Nangu Swiss mfethu. Swiss wena.
Swiss.
Swiss wena.
Ya ngaba ivideo.
Swiss.
Correct.
Awuyibambe ngelandscape kanje bafu.
Awuyibambe kanje. Contact shoot aje ngifuna
for IG. Yeah, for IG.
Bese contact shoot aje ngifuna uWarren manje.
That was a nice one, gents. I can't wait for it to come out.
I think for the Warren.
Cool, Buffett. Cool.
Now
Kade before la Swiss be ate record mfethu size yavala braz. Ate befuna ukcongratulate mfethu nge-event yakho.
Ufuna ukcongratulate Poison ibonile inkwari mfethu bishuke
kakhulu.
Sikhulumile kodwa no Warren samtshela mfethu yabo.
Thank you.